Okay guys, part 2. The GFI wasn't working before. What I did a little investigating, and it turns out that I had these switched on either side. I'm not touching them because it's live right now. What I had to do is cut my tape off and switch these. So now the breakers, the GFI tests good. We're good there. We're good there. Now, this is all fine. I'm going to tape this back up and put it all back together. But what I'm concerned about now is I changed this outlet, and there wasn't a ground wire on it before. And I found one inside this box, and I hooked it onto it. But it keeps saying that there's no ground. See the code? It's in the middle. And when you look at this on here, see the yellow light in the middle is the top one, it says open ground. So I'm not sure what the deal is with that. Let's check this one real quick and see. Okay. Now it actually says correct on this one. So I'll have to figure out what the reasoning for the other one is, as far as no ground. But I might end up switching that other one out, possibly. But I think this one is feeding over to that one. Anyhow, main thing is we got this GFCI working here. So thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to wrap black tape around that, just as a precaution when I slide it back in there. Thanks for watching.